Welcome back to another how-to from Wagmore Pet Boutique. Today we're going to be doing doggy ice cream. You're going to need blueberries, Greek yogurt, rolled oats, containers with lids for storage, and any blender that has a pulse function. Let's get started. We're going to add 32 ounces of Greek yogurt, a half a cup of blueberries, and a half a cup of rolled oats. We're going to put on our lid, power it up, and we're going to blend it for 30 to 45 seconds. And if your dog likes blueberries, don't be afraid to add a little bit more to the mix. Now we're ready to pour. And if you have any extra blueberries or oats, don't be afraid to use it as a topper on your doggy ice cream before you freeze it. Now that we have all our ice creams ready to be frozen with their lids on, we're going to carefully place them in the freezer for a few hours minimum for enjoyment, and for full froze, I would do it overnight. But the most important part is going to be the test.